Good morning, guys. So I am currently uploading today's video, which today is Monday, January 11th, and I am uploading the first episode of Lash&Beauty's Killing It for the year. I am so excited about this episode. You guys are gonna love her. Her name is Sophia. I need to get that up and running before my client gets here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna drink my coffee, finish this up, and then I'll be right back. So I feel like I haven't actually come on here and done a vlog since Christmas. So I have not come on here and talked to you guys in a while. I kind of took it easy this first 2 weeks. Not easy because I still have been recording. I have so many videos coming out this month. This week alone, I'm actually uploading a video right now for the new episode of Lash&Beauty's Killing It, and I'm currently talking to somebody. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to book them in. So I'm talking to two girls, which will be one episode. Hopefully it'll be one episode, and hopefully I can get both of them. So you guys probably have heard of them, but I'm currently talking to Dollhouse. Oh my goodness, and I am so excited. I've been following them for a while, and I freaking love these girls. If you guys don't know, I don't know if I showed you guys, but they do have a podcast called Lash Girls Don't Cry. You guys need to listen to them. They are so funny and just so down to earth, and I freaking love these girls. So I've actually been talking to them for quite a while now, and it's crazy because I used to follow them like a while ago. I started following them a while ago, and I was just like always like, oh my god, their work is so beautiful, they're just so inspiring. And they started following me back and liking my work. I'm like, oh my god, they see me. So I don't know, it's just exciting. Like, it makes me feel good, and it makes me feel like my hard work that I'm putting out there is actually getting noticed, and especially by people who I admire and look up to. So my goal this year is to get a lot more girls for my Lash&Beauty's Killing It series. My goal is to get girls who've already been in the industry for such a long time to pretty much give you guys more advice, you know, because there's only so much advice that I can give you because I haven't been lashing that long. So my goal is to get girls who've been in the industry for a while. That way they could give you guys more nuggets than what I can give you. I want that series to be about you guys and whoever wants to be on there. Okay, so I've been talking a little too much, but I'm currently getting ready for my clients. So I just need to disinfect everything, make sure everything is good to go, and I will see you guys in a bit.
Let's go. Are you ready? You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear.
Alright guys, so I know this is not a cute angle. I know the lights are making me look very dewy, and I'm actually very oily right now. I just got ready because I have a video chat, so it is gonna be another episode for Lash&Beauty's Killing It. And oh my god, I just realized that I haven't, oh my god, I can't believe I did that. So I actually haven't edited this video. What is wrong with me? Okay, so I still, oh my god, I knew I was forgetting something. So I still have to post, well, I already posted it. I just need to like edit all the last minute details. Oh shit, damn, I can't believe I forgot to do that. I just realized that I never posted the new video. It was supposed to go live today and I totally forgot to do all that. Like, oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry. I just have a really bad headache. Okay guys, so I have good news. I did manage to book the Zoom meeting chat with Dollhouse. If you guys don't know who they are, let me look them up for you guys. Ah, they're so sweet. Okay, so Dollhouse Lash Co. It's them right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they are like literally the freaking coolest. I love them. And here she is. So they do have lash merch, and that's one thing that I like. I'm obsessed with them about. Like, their aesthetic is just super freaking cute. And then this shirt, Lash Girls Don't Cry. So they do, like I mentioned, they have a podcast, and it's called Lash Girls Don't Cry. And freaking dude, look at that merch. Like, these girls are like badass, dude. Look at them. They are so cute. I am obsessed with them. So I am super excited that I managed to book them for another episode of Lash Babe is Killing It. So hopefully it'll be the first episode in February. So I'm so freaking excited about sitting down and talking to them. They're just so freaking cute. Like, guys, I can't look how cute they are. These girls are goals right here. The one on this side is Kayla and the one on this side is Naomi, and they are just so freaking cute. I can't with them. I can't. They are goals. I am so excited. They're just so cool. So if you guys have never listened to their podcast, I can 100% relate to these girls, and they are freaking badasses. Like, they are badass lash artists. So I am like super excited. Also, I don't think I've actually sat down here and talked to you guys, but next month I am going down to do some training with Jenna from xoxo Lashes. So I've actually been an ambassador for xoxo Lashes for a year now, and I love that company so much. So I am actually going down to do some training with her next month. So I don't know if I should tell you guys. So I am actually going down to train to become one of her educators. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. So nothing is set as of right now. Like, I'm going down to get training anyways, but if I want to go ahead with the process, then I am going to become an educator for them. So if you guys do want to get educated by me, I'm just saying, you better start saving up those nickels, girl. Oh my god, but the training will be through xoxo Lashes, but I will be the one, pretty much teaching you guys. So she will have a couple more educators, but I'm just, letting you guys know that I am going to be one of them. Like I told you guys, I've been trying to get a car, and we went yesterday, and the car is so cute. Like, it is the complete opposite of what I wanted. I originally wanted a white car, but that car is black. But I knew that if I wanted it black, it would have to be all black. So we went yesterday, we took a look at it, but the thing was that it was like up on a ramp, and it was like surrounded by a bunch of cars, so they couldn't really take it down to like go test drive it. So if I don't get the chance to test drive the car today, I'll probably end up going tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm taking the day off because I'm gonna go hang out with my friend Mayrani again. We're gonna go to Cafe Lola, and then probably go to the Summerlin Mall, and maybe later on that afternoon I'll probably end up going with my husband to go test drive that car to see if I could picture myself in that car, It's so cute. But hopefully we get good news. Hopefully everything turns out good. Hopefully by the end of the week I will have a new car. By the time I'm done, I know the dealership will be closing. So who is that? Is he mad? He is so mad. Good morning, guys. So Oh my god. Okay, I am so excited, guys, because I am in my new car. What? So, I got my dream car. Oh my goodness. And like, I don't want to come on here and seem like I'm bragging or anything, but guys, I worked my butt off last year, like so hard. I worked my butt off to be able to afford my dream car, and I'm just so excited. I'm just so happy. I'm just so thankful and just so happy. Like, even though it's something materialistic and a car is a car, like, I don't care, you know, like, I really needed a car. But the fact that it's my dream car that I'm sitting in right now, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. So you are going to be seeing a lot more car vlogs. Now I'm able to go to the gym, just, you know, go. So I'm going to start planning my mornings around gym, and then my day will consist of lashing and then doing what I need to do. I know this is not a cute angle, but I'm trying to work. I don't have a car mount. I just ordered one off of Amazon. But guys, can we talk about that sunroof? Oh my god, it's so cute. This is why I originally wanted this car. So I don't want to make you guys think that I'm like showing off in any way. No, I'm doing this because I want you guys to know that with hard work anything is possible. And guys, I'm telling you, I worked my butt off last year. Like, I worked so hard, and this year I think I'm gonna work double as hard, even though I keep telling myself that I want to take some time off, like just enjoy it. I already have some plans to do some stuff. Like, I have some stuff coming this year that I'm just like, you know what, let's hit it hard, or you know. So I just wanted to show you guys my sunroof. Like, isn't she so beautiful? So I did end up going with the beige interior. I knew that my dream car had to be a beige interior with a panoramic sunroof, and oh my god, it's so cute. I did get a Range Rover. I did not want like a big car. I did get the Evoque, so this is a smaller car, and I didn't want nothing fancy, nothing like out there, so I didn't go for like a newer model. I just don't care about that. The fact that I'm even in my dream car, doesn't matter what year it is, I still love it. She's so cute. She's so cute. I know, guys, this is not a cute angle. I'm trying to work with it, but okay, so I wanted to show you guys this package that I got in the mail, and it is from Morgan Beauty. I think I'm gonna have to Morgan Letta, something like that. I'm gonna have to put the information down below, but she reached out to me and wanted me to try out some products. So I did buy the glue, just so you guys know. Morgan Letta, I think that's what Morgan something. So I did buy the glue, but she did send me a couple more items in here. So she did send me a cute little birdie mask that I am totally gonna wear at the gym because I need to match my car now. Cute little birdie mask, so cute. It is a little big, not gonna lie, it is a little big, but we'll work with that. And then, oh my goodness, so she sent me some cute long birdie socks. How cute is that? So cute. You know, when girls wear their socks over their leggings, I think I'm gonna do with these because these are so cute and they just feel like really nice socks. It's called Morgan Letta, and then it says, "You're a birdie now." It says, "Thanks a million for being willing to give Morg Volume 1 a shot. I hope you love it as much as I do. Please let me know if you need anything. XOXO Morg." So what she's talking about is her glue. Her glue is called Morg. She also sent a cute little chapstick. This is so cute, matches my car, so I'm gonna keep this in my car. So this is the glue that I bought. I wanted to try it out for you guys, and on the back it just says, "I love you, birdie." I don't know if you guys can see that. It says, "I love you, birdie." So cute. But this is her volume 1 glue. I'm excited to try this out. I hope it is as good as my Stay a While glue, but you know what? I need to like just stop comparing it to my favorite glue because I just need to start giving other glues a try. She did send me this cute little business card. So cute, guys. I am obsessed with that. Cute. Alrighty, I can't wait to try this glue. What I'm more excited about is the socks and the mask. And then she also did send me a cute little birdie sticker. This is so cute. I'm gonna see where I could put this on. Where can I put this on? I'll figure it out. But yeah, thank you, Morgan, for reaching out to me. And I am definitely going to use everything on here. I originally wanted to do like an unboxing one for my product review series. But since it was just the glue and a couple accessories, I figured let's just go ahead and open it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start drinking my pre-workout. I did mention this in my stories on Instagram that these are my favorite pre-workout, and it just, oh, I love it. It tastes so good, especially with really cold water. It tastes like a Mexican lemon pop. That's how good these are. And then on top of it too, it doesn't give you the jitters. Like, you know how most pre-workout gives you like those nasty tingly jitters? This doesn't. It just gives you energy, like good energy. It burns fat while it's at it. So it is the skinny sticks from Xantrex. So yeah, let's go to the gym because I'm taking way too long. Good morning, guys. So it is 8:30, I believe. I just got to the gym. I actually came to another location this time because my friend and I are gonna start working out together. She said she was 5 minutes away, so I'm just gonna wait for her. And I think that's her. Is that her? I think that's her. I think that's her. Get it? I just got done cleaning everything up for my client. She's about to be here in probably 10 minutes. But I just cleaned everything. On Thursday, I leave to Mexico. So my husband and I decided to take a little mini trip with my best friend from middle school. So Kaylee, if you're watching this, hey girl. So we're gonna go to Mexico with them to like Baja California and just hang out, you know, go pet some tigers and stuff. So I am gonna finish getting everything ready. It's pretty much done, just waiting on her. So I will talk to you guys in a bit.
I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Boy, you better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom.
body. Oh shit, I almost ran that over. So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. I'm going to the gym and it's like hella late already. Yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna have time to edit 2 videos. I think I'm only gonna have time to edit 1. So I probably might have to stay up late because I know I'll probably end up being done getting my nails done by 9. By the time I get home, it's gonna be like 9:30, 10. Then I still have to pack, so I don't think I'm gonna have time to edit a second video. I'm only gonna have time to do tomorrow's episode. Okay, I'm not even gonna stress about it. I'm just gonna do as much as I can, and that's it. Call it a day. I'm on my way to the gym, and I need to finish drinking my pre-workout and listen to my music. Wanna see you work your body? So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Jellyman, over and out. I don't think you heard.
Loud and clear, over. Kaylee thinks this is dumb.
This is not dumb. This is like the coolest thing ever.
That's what I told her.
Come on, Kaylee, get with the program. Ricardo, you wanna be YouTube famous? Haley, take one. Cheers, Perla. Cheers. Come on, Ricardo. Cheers.
Ladies.
Hey, Judy. Hey. 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 Oh my god, they're gonna hate me. I was like, I'm not laughing at you.
Come on, Orlando. You're a little bitch, dude.
Pues bríncale tú.
Hey, you're not jumping over here. He's like,
Go, Richie. Woo!
oh.
What are we doing, Kaylee? We're gonna pet the tigers and the monkeys. And the monkeys. Oh. Hi. You're so pretty. Hi. Hi, donkey. Is it? Yeah. No way. What is it called?
A donkey horse.
Donkey horse? Look, it wants to play.
Yo creo que en su otra vida fue más que ¿verdad?
Hi, Chichi. You play with me?
Es más dócil, es más realiza lo que es la canción bonita dentro de para
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Pero la muerde bien fuerte.
Mira, aviéntesela arriba.
Wow.
Arriba, güey, arriba. Eso lo miraremos más adelante, pero miren donde tiene un...
Save it for everybody else.
Give me some.
Save it for everybody else. I want to give it to the little goat. See the little goat. I want to see the goat.
He like just went in between.
It's so cute. Oh wait.
His little face.
I know. Hey, Ricardo got two of them over there. Okay.
¿Son manzanas nomás?
Espera.
¿O espera? That's crazy.
You're so cute.
Take a picture of me.
Hi, cutie.
He's like, I don't want to go on there.
He's like my daddy. ¿Por qué me muerdes?
Es lo que hace siempre. Te tiene una pequeña mordidita al inicio y luego ya te empieza a ver.
Ay, Chicho.
Está bien bonito.
Feels like sandpaper. You crazy, you crazy. Ow, you crazy.
Put your hand down there, Ricardo.
Oh, you don't like you. You don't like you. It's like he's so spunky.
He's looking at you. Oh, look at
I don't
it.
like you.
He's like, he doesn't use wipes.
Y todo eso pues ayuda a hacer muchísimo.
Oh. Look at those paws. Oh.
Sit down, sit down.
Put your other hand around the bottom.
Oh, you don't like it.
Hey,
Gosh, how
boy.
nice. Look at those paws.
Is he mad?
No.
Oh.
Look at those.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
That's so cool.
I'll let you guys carry him every couple minutes, right, guys?
Okay.
So he doesn't get stressed that everybody's carrying him around all at once.
Okay.
You're so
heavy?
cute. Look at those paws.
Man, this dude's so badass.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Sweet one. Yeah, man.
Hi. No, my pants.
He likes your pants though.
It's the first thing he goes to.
Give it to myself and I work, that's it.
No, my pants.
It's like because they're ripped. He's like, I don't like these that are ripped. I don't know what happened.
Crazy. You
Give
crazy.
him a little kiss right there. Give him a little kiss.
Alright, come here. Come here.
Record it, bud. You're gonna be able to tell your friends, you know why I got bit by a lion.
That's so cute. Look at your belly. Look at your belly.
Yeah. My phone, you know. I'm like, no, it's too loud to my phone. Unless you guys have like an emergency belongs in the car or something, that'll be good.
You like the belly? He's just chilling. Good. ¿Qué tienes?
You make so much noises.
How many months before he gets ready?
For like around 6 months, he's gonna be.
Look at his paws,
There's a female.
What are you doing?
The
What are you
female,
doing,
the one
huh?
with the
Picture of me and Carlo.
and then the full,
Hopefully he doesn't bite me because it can be hard. That shit hurt. It's probably because I was yelling.
Oh yeah, he probably
He probably got like.
Mira, ya te ve, Kelly, ya te ve.
yeah, what's that?
look at him just chilling.
I
He's
know.
just like living life.
Older?
They should start getting cold for like a month.
Oh,
And
a
then,
couple months straight?
yeah, the 1 month February is cold. And then in March,
He's strong.
and after that it's just hot again.
Yeah.
What? He's so
No,
cute.
there's
Wait, is that the girl or boy?
Yeah.
It's a boy? Where's his pee-pee at? Oh, yes. You're so cute. Ow, not my knee.
He's biting
Yeah.
Dude, I'm touching a lion, bro. This is crazy.
You bite hard.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, I fucking scratched the shit out of me right now.
You got a free souvenir?
No.
For real.
We don't charge those. Those are on us, so they're free.
You crazy boy. Crazy boy.
¿A poco sí ya nos llevamos?
¿Eh?
¿Qué tan buenos los tacos? That's what sucks about being in Mexico, bro. Tacos are good. We don't have tacos out here, so we have the
I'll take
real
a picture.
tacos.
Yeah, put up with that camera.
You guys want another picture?
Oh yeah, if you can, man. Yeah, appreciate it.
You just, ustedes nomás digan rana y yo tanto. Okay, ready?